I just don't know where to start with this particular car. This is a very special one for many reasons. Colour combination, 3,000 miles, one owner from new, this beautiful 2018 Range Rover, 3 litre petrol, producing 340 brake horsepower. It's amazing. Today with the live pricing, it's 59,990. You just don't get many petrol Range Rovers, but this is such a sought after vehicle. I know when this car goes live, somebody in London is going to go, I want that, I need it. You just don't get them. But this one, like I say, it's in Yulong White, which is a pearlescent white. It looks amazing. The interior, it's got the lovely vintage tan and ebony two-tone leather interior, which I'll show you. And against this colour, it's special, it's rare, it's individual, and it's different. Dare to be different. Don't want to blend in all the time like all the other ones out there. But remember, it's got 3,000 miles. So when I say that the car is in a spectacular condition, there's no exaggeration, it is amazing. You've then got the full black styling exterior pack on this car, which is the black badges, the black grills, the bonnet vents, the side vents, the black inserts and the bumpers. And then quite clearly you can see that this car's got the 22-inch upgraded autobiography alloy wheels. Again, in an immaculate condition. No curb damage, no corrosion, nothing like that. As you go down the side, you've got the fixed side steps. Remember, this is a HSE dynamic, so it's not a standard car, not an entry level, nothing like that. It is a very high spec vehicle. All this is colour coded. The rear sections of the back of the bumper is colour coded. You've got rear parking sensors, front parking sensors, reversing camera, and now you've also got park assist. So a big car like this is nice and easy to park. It parks itself. The black exterior pack also carries on around the back with the badging, the rear trimmings, and you've got the high gloss black section inside the rear bumper at the back there. Them extremely large rear tailpipes coverings, which for me aesthetically looks superb, give the car another edge really more than anything. Big spoiler on the back. With a Yulong White, you've got the contrasting black roof. So if you look at the other side, on both sides, you have the black roof. I want to show you the interior of the car, starting outside, because I wanted the sunlight to hit it, and I think that's really appreciated the most. I can come back in again and show you another bit more about it. I also want to show you the car moving, because every car looks great stood still, but not every car looks good when they're moving. And this is one of them cars that when it is just rolling about, doing its 30 miles an hour, or 60 or 70 miles an hour, it looks stunning. People will look at it twice. And if you're the driver of this car, you'll love every second being inside it as well. Because it's one of them cars, it looks great on the outside, but it's better on the inside. So what I'm going to do now, is I'm literally going to drive away so you can see it, not in slow motion, but it's one of them cars, the way the wheels turn, the lines on the body, the way it's designed, it's just, like Tom will come on the front now, and you know, if this is coming towards you, what a brilliant looking car. And then when I take it outside now in the sun, you'll see what the Yulong White is all about. It's not just another white car. It's far more than that. This particular one, because it's got 3,200 miles on, I'm sat in it right now, it is as crisp as it gets. It's brand new from every angle, and I mean it, inside and outside, but it feels amazing. Look at that vintage tan leather interior with the extended leather pack on the door cards, the lovely stitching, the finer details. They're not in normal white stitching, it's got that lovely tan stitching on it. Electric memory seats, Meridian sound system, but then look at that interior. For me, that is a one-off. It looks superb. You've got the leather, you've then got the Alcantara sections inside the seat on base and top. You've got that tan leather stitching and base on the steering wheel. Being the HSE dynamic, you've got other extras like the heated steering wheel, you've got onboard computer, full digital live cockpit on there, which sort of shows you navigation and everything else. Electric seats all the way around, rear heated seats, that continuous leather colour combination. You have to admit, it just looks brilliant. Full tilt and sliding panoramic roof, which makes a massive difference. Makes the car feel very airy. But let me just show you the colour. If you stand about there, Tom, just about there, and look at that colour. You telling me that isn't an absolute... We currently have an amazing selection of cars. We always sell great cars, but currently I've got maybe a dozen Range Rovers about me, which are the best in my opinion, and I mean it. Colour combination, specification, age, mileage, ownership, and then the price. If you just look at the glitter on that paint, on the whole colour-coded sections, all the black exterior pack, it combines it to an absolute weapon of a car. I love it, genuinely, and at $59,990, I don't think it's expensive. Absolutely not. If you come back in here, what you'll see, so your normal controls, like I say, your stereo controls and all that's there, your paddle shift. You've got Bluetooth, you've got your media system, navigation, in-control apps, Apple CarPlay, it's got everything. Ambient lighting as well, because the ambient lighting is not standard, so see down here, all this lights up, and you can change your colours to blue, door pockets, door cards, purple, red, all the colours in the rainbow, it's all there. When you put it in reverse, you get your reversing camera, that's there as well. Your heated seats, twin cup holders with 2 keys, centre armrest which lifts up, which gives you more cubby holes on USBs in there, tilt and sliding pan roof, which I've mentioned already, which, like I said, I mean, look at the size of that sheet of glass, it's huge, not like just a dinky sunroof. You've got the frameless interior mirror there, which is auto dimming. I love it. And then the space in the back, lots and lots of it. I can climb in and jump in. It's done 3,000 miles, remember, so I have to emphasise the condition is absolutely key. And this one, it's just stunning. Imagine being sat in the back of this and getting driven around. If you're a kid and your mum or dad's driving this car, you'd love it because it's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful for anybody. Business user, private car. Going back round the back, you've got the automatic tailgate, nice big boot, seats go down 40, 40, 20. Underneath, like all Range Rovers, you've got the spare wheel there. On this one, you've got to wear very lucky because this has got a spare wheel, which is a 22-inch wheel. So it's actually got 5 22-inch wheels. So if you do get a puncture, you won't need to put a dinky one on and look silly. This one's got the big 22-inch in there, and they're genuine wheels again. But that is, I don't know what more you could want out of a car. It's a 4x4, it's elevated, it's got ground clearance. I just think they look great. This one's quite special on its own because of the way it is. If you're wanting a Range Rover Sport and you're not quite sure what colour to go for, what combination, what engine, depending what miles you're doing, some of my clients aren't doing a great deal of miles. So the new 3-litre petrol engine that's producing 340 brake horsepower might be just the perfect car for you. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, bye bye.